feels good to see you back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and be a part of all the love, peace, and beauty. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I love doing my simple, soft glam makeup. This look is so glowy and summertime ready, and I'll be showing you some of my favorite products for achieving this look. They are great for combination skin and also affordable. So, if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Starting off with my Smashbox Primer Water for instant hydration. This is good for all skin types, plus is cruelty-free. It's a bit pricey at $32, but you can prime, set, and refresh your face with it. Moving on, for an amazing glow, I'm using Cover FX in the color Moonlight. It's very intense for my skin tone, so I'm using it before my foundation and applying it to where I'd normally apply my highlight. This product retails for $42. So I like to blend this down with my fingers so it really melts into my skin. I want a natural glow, but for a more intense highlight, you can put this right over your foundation. So for foundation, I'm pulling out my Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick. I'm in the shade Warm Walnut or 7.5. This retails for $46. It's one of my favorite foundations. The yellow undertones go well with my skin and I'm in love with the consistency. It's smooth on the skin, but at the same time, water, sweat, and humidity resistant, making it a must-have. This gives me a medium to full coverage, depending on how much I build it up on my skin. So when I'm going for a more natural look, blending this foundation down with my fingertips is definitely a thing to do. But for this look, I want a more full coverage look, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty foundation brush to help really beat it into my skin. I know the foundation is looking a little bit too light for my skin, but it actually matches me perfectly. I actually like to match my foundation to my chest and my neck because I have a bit of hyperpigmentation in my skin, but you will be able to watch this foundation just blend with my skin flawlessly. Next, I'm using my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Suede for my concealer. The matchsticks are $25 each and they are magnetic. So if you have a few of them, they will stick together and help you like with your organization. So that's pretty cool. This concealer is so pigmented and it really feels weightless. I absolutely love this product. This is definitely one of those concealers that you just kind of tap into your skin and blend around the edges. Like I like to blend it out around the edges and just like let the concealer really sit on my face. I like to use a little bit of concealer on my eyelids because I never do eyeshadow, like never. So it's a nice little thing to put over my eyelids. Now I'm going to use one of my favorite loose powders. It's from Urban Decay. It's the Naked Skin and it's in medium. This really blurs all the creases and flaws and gives me a flawless finish every time. I'm going to let this settle in and bake on my face while I do my brows. Now I'm brushing my brows to give them a bit of a shape, just prepping them for my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I love the consistency because I can really build my brows up to be bold and full, or just give them a few strokes and, you know, keep those brows humble and natural looking. If you want to see an eyebrow tutorial, give me a like, give me a thumbs up so I know it's real. I forgot to show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and it retails for $18 and I got the shade Ebony. Now I'm just taking my spoolie to move around some of the product, blend it out, and make it look even more natural. So now I'm just taking my fluffier brush and I'm kind of like blending out that loose powder and also like spreading it around. I'm going to contour my forehead and cheeks with my NYX Photogenic Concealer Wand. This is only $6 and it comes in 23 shades. I love that it comes with a little wand so I can quickly place it where it needs to be. And this product is also vegan. To blend out this contour, I'm going to use the Complete Control Blending Sponge from NYX. This is good for creams, liquids, and powders. This sponge feels so much firmer than the Real Technique sponge, but this is going to blend out my contour perfectly. For my nose contour, I'm using my Fenty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. This retails for $25. I think this is the perfect contour for my nose because the contour is nice and subtle. Plus, I can blend it out seamlessly with my fingers and the shape of the product makes it easy to place. So, I'm just using my fingers and just tapping the product and making sure that there are no harsh lines visible. I went off camera to apply my lashes. These are Demi Wispies and I got them in a pack that cost me $12. For my highlight, I'm using Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Bronzer in the shade Flawless. This is only $5.49. So I like to spray the brush because the highlighter sticks a little better to my skin when the brush is wet. This highlighter is one of my go-tos because in the natural sunlight, it looks so good. It looks so natural and so glowy. It has this like perfect yellow glow, and that looks really good on my skin tone. I'm mixing Film Noir. It's a lip from MAC that retails for $18. It's one of my favorite shades. It also has a very soft, creamy consistency, so it blends well and it feels soft and hydrated on the lips. I used this same Milani setting spray in my last drugstore look makeup video. I'll link it here so you can check it out. So I'm using the Prime, Correct, and Set spray. This really does keep your makeup in place and I definitely trust it for the summer. It smells very fresh and it's only $10. Beauties, here is the final look. Let's chat in the comments, tell me what you think of the look, or we can chat about the products I used. Do you have a favorite? Thumbs up the video. Don't forget to check out my other makeup videos and to hit the red subscription button to follow me on this love, peace, and beauty journey. Please join me. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I will see you soon in the next one.